Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to put the bounds goal here. About the x that is from number 2 to number 6. About dy that is from negative number 1 to positive number 5. So the integration of 2x that is about x squared about number 1 that is about x, and we put the bounds from number 2 to number 6. So I will put number 6 gone here, number 2 gone here. So we calculate this one, and we have 36. The integration of dy, we have y. So I will put number 5 gone here, negative number 1 gone here. So we have 216. This is the end. Thank you for watching.